My name is Kuya Teniola. I'm a student of Dancehall High School, and I came here this summer to come and learn web design and coding. During this period, I learned how to design my web page through the use of CSS and HTML to create a website called Cubana's Restaurant. We've uploaded our website onto the server infinityfree.com, and the website in general is meant to advertise to the world about what Cubana's Restaurant actually sells, our product, or let's say our menu and everything. I learned a lot from Center4tech, and I want to invite you all to come here again next summer for another month of learning. Thank you.